It's a great day for hockey cards, and today, I know I've opened a lot of this, but let's do some more. I'm going to go with 2021 SP Authentic Hockey. We're going to get one autograph Future Watch per box. Usually 2 autographs in here. We've had a couple 3s in here. I think I've had decent luck with SP Authentic, but that's what we're going to do today. One thing I do want to bring up, this channel just surpassed 2 million total views, and I just want to thank everybody who's ever watched a video, who's ever commented on a video, thumbed up a video, subscribed to the channel, because honestly, the positive energy I get from most of the people out there who watch, I try and pass on in the videos, and it really does keep me going. So thank you so much. This community is the best. I really appreciate it, and hooray on 2 million and onward to 3. So let's break in to our SP Authentic and see what we get. I probably bought too much of this year already. But, you know, whatever. I have fun with it. Travis Konechny, Mark Giordano. We've got a retro of Bo Horvat, Andrei Vasilevsky, and John Tavares. I think I could have built 2 or 3 base sets at this point if I was building base sets. Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, Anders Lee, and boom! Autograph Future Watch early on in the box, 130 of 999. Ian Mitchell for your Chicago Blackhawks. Dylan Larkin. Next pack. Carter Hart. Alexander Barkov. We've got a retro of Teuvo Teravainen. Tyson Barrie and Jonathan Doobie Duberdow. Anthony Mantha, Brad Marchand. Got Natty Mac retro. Oh, we've got another Future Watch. It's a Vitaly Kravtsov. No autos on his Future Watches because he signed a agreement with Leaf. I don't know how long that lasts for, but the last couple players have done it, like Eichel. Upper Deck has later reissued these cards in future SP Authentic packs with an auto on them, so we'll see if that happens for him. There's Ovi. Braden Shen. We got Austin Matthews, Kyle Connor retro, Matt Barzal, and Josh Bailey. Natty Mac, David Perron. We've got Matt Zuccarello retro, Rasmus Dahlin, and Artemi Panarin. Not too far away from the start of hockey season, so I'm getting really excited about that. Alex Tuck, Leon Draisaitl. We've got a celebrated moments. Pekka Rinne scores his first NHL goal in a win over Chicago. Then he retired last year. So Tyler Seguin, Connor Hellebuck had a great career for Nashville. Matthew Tkachuk, Jack Eichel. We've got a SP Top Performers of Alexis Lafreniere, Ryan Suter, and Anze Kopitar. Connor McDavid, Seth Jones. We've got Tyler Toffoli, recording his first outdoor, the NHL's first outdoor hat trick. And probably his as well. Colton Parayko and Matt Murray. Jack Hughes, Dominic Kubalik, a Jack Hughes limited red, Miro Heiskanen, and a Jiggity Jake Guentzel. Question I've been receiving a lot just recently, comes up every once in a while when I bring it up on the channel, is how do people trade me for stuff that I pull? Unfortunately, I don't do trades anymore because early on in the channel I got taken by people who didn't send me what they promised, but yet I sent out what I promised. So everything that I don't want to keep usually ends up on my eBay channel. There's a link in the description of the video below. If you ever want to see what the prices are on something, go on there, click on it. It helps the channel out. I don't really ask for money or support any other way than people watching, and every once in a while, if you want to help out, go to the eBay channel and pick up something you want. Carey Price, Jordan Staal. We've got a true leader of Patrice Bergeron, Dustin Brown, and Geno Malkin. I probably should do a Q&A video or something, somewhere around 10,000 subscribers. Maybe a bunch of people have questions. I don't know. Is that something you guys would like to see? Like a video that's just Q&A and maybe a small break in there? I don't know. Let me know. Brent Burns, Igor Shesterkin, true leaders, Brent Burns. Oh, you got both. We got the home and away jerseys. Roman Josi and Dylan Strome. Eric Stahl, Dougie Hamilton. Got a limited red of Jack Eichel, David Pastrnak, and Max Pacioretty. Nick Schmaltz, Mark Stone. We've got a Joe Pavelski setting an American record for postseason goals. Good job, little Joe. Nikita Kucherov and Thomas Hertl. Still looking for a second auto in here. Mika Zibanejad, Cale Makar. We've got a Spectrum FX, Kyle Connor. Jonathan Drouin and Sebastian Aho. Only 3 packs left. Keith Yandel, Martin Jones. Oh, look at this. Sign of the Times 80s. I love the design on these. Anton Stastny. He's actually got a interesting signature there. Nice. I'm pull one of these. Very nice looking card. Good design on that. Steven Stamkos and Ryan O'Reilly. Kyle Connor, Nick Suzuki. We've got a limited red of Brent Burns, John Klingberg, and Zach Werenski. Final pack. Victor Hedman, Matt Zuccarello, and we've got a Spectrum FX Future Watch of Vitaly Kravtsov. We also pulled his regular Future Watch. So that's nice. He's level 2. Pekka Rinne, and Sid the Adult. So there you have it. That is 2020-2021 SP Authentic Hockey. Once again, thank you everybody for watching the channel. Never thought we'd have 2 million views on our videos, but we've somehow managed to reach this milestone. But let me know what you think of the break in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.